Hello. In this lesson, I am going to give quick introduction to the 8 parts of speech. What is a part of speech? Well, a part of speech is a name given to a word based on its job in a sentence. A word can be a verb, a noun, an adjective, etc., depending on the job that it does in a sentence. It's useful to learn about them. So, how many parts of speech in English language? There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, article, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjections. We will see all one by one. We'll start by talking about verb. Verbs are the most important words in English language. We use them in sentence for 2 reasons. Almost every sentence must have a verb. You cannot have a sentence without a verb in English. Second reason is that only verbs have tenses. To show different time, we change the form of verb. Verbs are doing words. A verb describes what a person or a thing does or what happens. Verbs describe 1. An action, 2. An event, 3. A situation, 4. A change. Verbs come in 3 tenses: present, past, and future. The basic form of verb is known as the infinitive. It's often preceded by the word to. Verb shows an action or state. State means situation, condition. Let's understand it with an example. The teacher is tall. In the first sentence, is links the teacher to information about her, the fact that she is tall. That is her state of being. Look at another example. This candy tastes so sweet. In the second sentence, tastes link candy to information about it, its sweetness. Did you think taste was an action verb? Well, it is when the subject is doing the tasting. But here the candy isn't doing any tasting. The candy itself tastes sweet. That is its state of being. The main 3 types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs. Action verbs tells what action something or someone is performing. Linking verbs connects a noun or a pronoun with a word that identifies or describes it. And helping verbs add it before another verb to make it a verb phrase. So there are 3 main types of verbs: action, linking, and helping. Action verbs. Verbs can express physical actions like go, dance, run, climb, jump, and mental actions like think, gaze, consider. Action verbs can be split into 2 categories: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. There are up to 5 forms of each verb: root verb, third person singular form, present participle, past participle, and past form. Look at the state of being verbs. Am, is, are, was, were. Be, being, and been are used for passive sentences. Have, has, had shows possession. Do, does, and did are used for negative and interrogative sentences. Modal verbs can, may, could, might, etc. are used to express ability, possibility, permission, obligation. Now look at the list given here. Can you tell me which are being verbs? Tell me the being verbs. This is your homework for today. Okay? That's all in this video. Thank you.